Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang bang is about McRibs, McDonald McRibs, okay? So I hear it's nice. So I thought, okay, if it's that nice, I'm gonna do me a mukbang, okay? So let me check it out. Okay, it's a bun with 1, 2 and a baby pickle. Okay, let me scatter out this onion so I can, you know, and anyway, let me try it out, guys. Who has had this? This is my first time. I hear my kids say that is actually nice, so I thought, okay, here I go. Doesn't look like much, but I hope the flavor's good. Some of the onions out. Sauce is nice. Let me post the mail. It is actually nice. I'm glad I got 3 pickles. My husband has taken our kids to Batman's Day today. But the weather's pretty crap. They should have put more sauce on it. I like pickle. When my kids don't want their pickle, they give it to their mama. And the drink is Fanta. Orange Fanta. Quite nice. That feels really dark. It's like got worse. That one didn't have enough, like a lot of sauce. Oh, yum, look at that pickle. I'm gonna have that one. I should put all the pickles together and have me a pickle. Oh, now, I see the sauce. I see the sauce. Oh, I love that one. Look, guys. Nice. I would have loved it to have more barbecue sauce. Do you know, before I started doing my mukbangs, I hated barbecue sauce. I really did. It done nothing to me, but I just didn't like the taste. What was it? I bought this, oh yeah, the TikTok. I'm trying to think what the heck did I buy. It's a barbecue. With a barbecue, the one that you cook for ages. You know, like American style barbecue. But I bought it from this guy named Jason out here in Rudy Hill. And the barbecue sauce that he had with it was just divine. And I couldn't get enough of it. And I thought, oh, barbecue sauce is not that bad. Oh, excuse me. So, but I'm still the tomato sauce person for my hot chips. It's so nice. You know what? I'll be watching some mukbang videos. And I think, oh, everyone's just doing their own thing now. And I love it. I love it. So you get you a camera or your phone and film. Even my sister was joking to me. She said she watched my mukbang with the raw fish. And she says she feels like going to the local island shop and get her free of those tubs, put it in the bowl and do her do her pretend mukbang. I said, do it. Do it. I said, just film it and then look back at it and have a laugh. I would so love to watch her mukbang. I would. So sis, uma mayo lau mukbang es ka makamaka fine ska kuwi. Julie, you have to tell Mom. But But don't laugh at it, just stop. I think to be able to eat a lot, you have to put it mentally in. Like, anyway, that's my second one, guys. You know, like, you gotta mentally put it here. Or mentally put it here in my tummy. Aka so, fiaka. I've been my brother's thinking of moving out of Sydney with my nephew. It's been sad just thinking about it. I'm just thinking, can you see my stuff on the side there? Now everyone looks. Oh. Anyway, so he's thinking of moving now, and it's been really sad on me thinking about it, but I understand. You know, he wants to, he hopes to see his son go to uni. And his son has been down to the uni where they're going to move to, and he quite likes it. And look, as long as they're happy, you know, I'm happy to see my family happy. But how dare they make me upset? How dare they sadden me? Oh, my poor brother. He's my younger brother. Yeah. Growing up, my poor brother. That brother always like to take care of him. I have my younger sisters. Yeah, I'm sad. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, tells me that he wants to go there. Plus, it's cheaper to live down there and stuff. I mean, it's only an hour fly away. But just to think that he's not around, you know? And it's so funny. Every time he visits my house, he always takes something. And he always goes with something. Like if he comes and I've just got food on my table, like it's going to be our snack, he'll go, But my mum and I, we do not mind. He was always our dad's favourite son. But you know what's funny? You know, some kids, they can get jealous of stuff like that. Like, you know, one of their parents got a favourite child, and we always knew that he was our father's favourite. Because our dad's passed away now, but he was always our dad's favourite. And it never, never bothered us. You know why? Because our dad loved us. You know, he loved us. So we never ever felt like he didn't love us. So he can have his favourite. Because we get the same love, but he just gets that extra, you know. Alright. I already joked to him about that. And he secretly likes it because he loved our dad just as much as we did, but there's nothing about our dad. He was a good man. Quiet. His dirty looks can really scare off someone. But really, it's just outside, but really inside, he's a softie. Poor dad. One thing about my dad, any of our partners, he does not want them to be like not working. they must work, because to him, a man has got to be a provider and work. You know, it's not good to be alive and able and you stay home. Right? So luckily, you know, all our partners worked, and his sons worked, you know. Yeah. You know, whoever knows that, you know, whoever's lost their parent would understand, you know, that our love for them lives on, no matter how long they've gone. Hey, never leaves us. Now, growing up, you think about what they told you, you know, growing up, how to be this, how to be that. You know, like, I mean, you try and do that. Because I tell you what, a good parent's advice is always for protection of their children. Never to want them to fail, no. That's why I'm always hard on my kids, because I want them to do well, you know? Do well, provide well, be good to their partners. You know, I don't like to see my kids not being good to their partners. It's not fair. You have to treat them good, vice versa. Because my mum always says that a person's partner, when they come into a family, you don't look at them in a negative way, like you judge them in that. You accept them as one of your children. That's what my parents always did that, you know. And our partners always felt comfortable around them. They didn't feel like that they had to prove anything, but they had to work. They had to work, otherwise they're in my dad's bad books. But my mum, she's more, you know, like, she accepts anyone. She's really, really good. Very strict mum, but she accepts anyone. Our dad is good. You know, he got along with all our partners. They all, you know, cared about him, because he treated them like his sons. Always had his little dry jokes. So that's what we try to do with our children. Advise them. Advice. Because love doesn't stop. That's why we advise are valid, you know. But you get those lucky children, like they come, you advise them a couple of times, and they just know where to go. That path. You know, they just be good all the way. But then you get one of those ones you see them sort of go on the sideline and slap them back in line. Go, do the best they can while we're still alive. To help them along, you know. To root for their well-being and their achievements. We're all like that. You know, parents that care for their kids, that's what they do. Hey, can you believe my third one? I thought I was only going to stop at 2. Oh, fuck me. Now that I brought it up, I'll probably can't finish this one now. But if I carry on talking. That person said to me yesterday, can you just stop talking and eat? I thought, excuse you. It's always got to be that one that comes in and chucks a little pebble. And chuck it. And then you know what you have to do? You have to look around for a stone and chuck it down. No, I'm joking. I'm just kidding. Are you joking? Taking me seriously? It's so nice. I saw someone say, can you make fa'usi? I thought, that sounds lovely. McRibs, guys. And one of those just go, yeah, and then when you try and bite into it. I miss my family already, but they have to give me a break. Silence. Can you hear anything? Silence. The only one here is my mama. Okay, sure. What do you want to eat? I'm going to Mac's to get me my food to do my video. She doesn't know what the video is. She doesn't know. She'll forget. But anyway, she said, what's there to get? And I said, well, there's McDonald's, burgers and chips, ice. And when I said ice, she said, ice cream. I said, eh. She goes, yeah. My star ice cream, eh? I went, no. You know what, my dad, I used to play this joke with my dad. When he was alive, because he loves coffee. My dad is a coffee loving. Give him a cup of tea and he'll look at you like you've just done a crime. Okay, so I always say, if I could say puki, if I could say coffee, and he'll say, and I go, right. And he'll burst out laughing, right? I go, oi! Yeah. I'm not that high pitch. He'll say, oi! We have a face a car coffee. And I go, yeah, thank you very much. And he'll just laugh, but I'm only kidding. My dad. What a good person. I just want to know. I just want to let God know that He gave me a good father, and I miss him. I'm gonna cut that out. Anyway, why did I bring it up? Anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching. I am free, guys. Woo! Free. Oh. Does that make me a champion? Wow, I'm free. Oh, I can't wait to go and tell someone I ain't free. I really just thought I was gonna cave out at 1.5, but free. I feel, you know. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. You guys are always there to, you know, show support. And I really, really, really thank you very much. Okay, guys? Take care.